Hey guys, quick update. If any of you been following me on Instagram for a while or have been listening to some of the Friday episodes of the Varun Duggi Show, you do know that my focus on fitness and health and wellness has kind of been growing over time. So I turned 39 this Saturday, and I thought it'd be a good time for me to kind of move things up a notch, to give myself a challenge before I turn 40. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be spending the next year working towards being the fittest version of me, not just physically, but also mentally. I want to figure out what I can kind of do, both in terms of a workout schedule, what I eat, how I look after my own mind, how I take those pauses and those breaks in between, and how by doing that and by sharing that journey with all of you, maybe somewhere along the way, could find that balance, right? Because most times when we look at these kind of things, when you look at these kind of challenges, it always seems very extreme. I don't want to miss out on all the fun stuff. I don't want to be that person who isn't fun anymore because so regimented and so hardcore about these things. I want to find a balance where all of us can kind of figure out maybe in some way to have fun, yet find a way or find smaller pieces that you can all come together. It can make you, and in that process, make me the best version of myself. So I'm actually going to be sharing a bunch of content starting next week, where it will be everything around workouts, around uh, stuff which I'm going to be eating, mindfulness techniques, stuff which I'm researching in this space, and so much more. So this is just me just dropping this out there and saying this is coming up. And if there are specific things that you want me to focus on, specific things that you want me to cover when I do this, I might do some blogish, some might just be pretty much focusing on certain aspects and certain theories. So let me know what you really want to know. So in that way, you are part of my journey as I move ahead on this one. So going to be going across this entire piece of mind, body, and soul, and across all that track. What is core to me is how do I constantly take a pause and look at my life and say, how can I make it better? And by making it better, how do I make it better for the people around me? And by doing that and sharing it, how can I help you maybe find some paths that work for you as well? So, yeah, so that's the quick update I had from my end, and all the other stuff will continue. All the other content will continue, but this is a new piece that I'm kind of working on. So drop your comments, or you can just DM me and all the other stuff. I'm at the red Varun Duggi on most social platforms. You want to email me, I'm hellos@varunduggi.com. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, right now might be a good time. If you don't follow me on Instagram, this might be a good time to do that. Lots of stuff coming up, and I'll catch you on the other side of 39. Damn, getting old. Maybe this is what they call a midlife crisis.